Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 11. Get ready for dedication. Start. Sir, the more important function that the upper house performs is that it suppresses the separatist forces and affords an opportunity to the states to have their say in national legislation and, in fact, in the debates in the Constituent Assembly. This aspect was put with great emphasis by the honorable members. The second chamber is essential in a federal structure because the House of People, being the representative of the people, obviously the people will have their say there. But the states also should have a say of their own in a democratic constitution, and the Rajya Sabha being a council of states, obviously the states will have a say, and in our constitution we have recognized the importance of the voice of the states because certain constitutional amendments cannot go through unless they are passed by the majority of the states. Therefore, in our democracy, people are the main criteria, but the opinion of the majority of the states on important issues is also an important factor. Whether this aspect will be properly fulfilled by the Rajya Sabha will be dependent to a great extent on the composition and the powers which the Rajya Sabha has in comparison with some of the other second chamber that we have in the world today. For example, the most powerful second chamber in the world today, everyone will have to agree, is the Senate of the United States. The Senate members are directly elected. Their powers are also much wider because the Senate possesses the power of even vetoing treaties which are agreed upon by the President. Ratification by the Senate is necessary before a treaty comes into force, and up till now more than 60 treaties have been vetoed by the Senate. In the United States Senate, each state is represented by two members irrespective of its size and population. Now let us look to another federal. In Australia, the Senate is not as powerful as that of the USA. There are 50 senators and they are elected 10 each from the 5 states. Therefore, irrespective of the size of the population, uniformity is maintained there also of all the senates. Same is the case in Switzerland also, where each state has 2 members. In Russia, where in spite of the divergence and composition of the population and the area, 25 deputies are there from each republic. Stop.